CEM III Cement, also known as blast furnace cement, is a blended cement defined under EN 197-1.
CEM III Cement is produced by blending clinker with ground granulated blast furnace slag, also called GGBFS.
According to EN 197-1, CEM III Cement is classified into 3 subcategories based on slag content.
The subcategories differ mainly in their GGBFS and clinker proportions.
CEM III Cement is available in strength classes 32.5, 42.5, and 52.5.
Compared to OPC, CEM III shows slower early strength but excellent long-term performance.
The high slag content gives CEM III Cement low heat of hydration and superior durability.
CEM III Cement is widely used in mass concrete, marine works, bridges, and long-life structures.
Using GGBFS reduces clinker content and significantly lowers carbon emissions. CEM 3D Cement is a durable, sustainable solution for modern concrete construction. Like, comment, and subscribe to Cement Talk for more cement knowledge.